Okay, let's do some gold prospecting. Miners discovered gold in the state of Washington in 1853. About $7 million worth of gold was recovered from south central Snohomish County. There were dozens of mines at Index, Trout Lake, and especially Money Creek. And with some patience, you can still pan colors up there. You may have noticed in late 2009 the price of gold passed $1,000 an ounce. But it isn't just gold you get when you pan. You get magnetite, ilmenite, and possibly some exotic material from the lanthanide series on the periodic table. Most of these are hard to pronounce, but they're valuable because they're used in hybrid cars and lithium-ion batteries. They're known as rare earth elements, and they show up with gold. You might also recover platinum group elements, which include iridium, palladium, osmium, so always save your black sand. The Stevens Pass area is host to several big granite batholiths, so you're going to see a lot of salt and pepper rocks out here. We sampled a lot of different drainages below Stevens Pass, and from what we found, your best bet to practice your prospecting is to try Money Creek.
Hi, welcome to Garrett's World of Geology. This is version 3. We're up on the West Fork of the Foss River. I should do a little mailbag here. All my fans said to wear a white shirt so my smiling face shows up better. Let's see, what else do we have in the mailbag? Oh yeah, one of them said, "Lose weight, fat boy." Mom! Let's see, there was a third one. Oh, and you want me to have an external mic, but sorry, we're just not that high-tech here. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to go get gold just with some common kitchen implements. So, let's go. Okay. So what I got here is a common garden trowel, a spaghetti strainer, and then another noodle strainer. So all of these you probably have around the house. I've got 2 gold pans, one on the bottom and this one. And I'm just getting the gravel from behind this big boulder. And then I separate it a couple times, screen it down into concentrates. And just keep doing that and pan it down until I have a good sample. I may not even see any gold until I get back to camp, but I should be able to tell if I've got black sands in here. Okay, I've just got a thin line of black sand. And now, a simple syringe. Or, you can use one of these $1.95 snuffer bottles. Get it in there like that. And now just rinse, lather, and repeat.
Money Creek is easy to find. There's a well-marked turnoff to the campground from US 2. Then after 0.8 miles, look for Miller River Road. Go about 1/10 of a mile, look for Money Creek Road. Now just look for river access after about a half a mile.
We're on Money Creek.
Bad news, just about all the cool mines at Galena and Silver Creek are blocked by washouts along the Index Galena Road. We tried to come in from the Beckler Riverside and ran into signs warning about local access only.
Roads closed.
The Mohawk mine dates to 1896 with 4 tunnels in the area. The main metals were gold and antimony.
So we're here with Daryl Jacobson, one of the founders of Northwest Underground Explorations. They are the premier group in the Northwest that goes into old mines and maps them out, and they mark them on their maps. Their book is Discovering Washington's Historic Mines. There's volume 1, volume 2. Is there a volume 3? There's a volume 3. It's great for Rockhound, and they do a really nice job for the Rockhound paragraphs. And it's all good gold mining stuff. Most of the mines up here were gold, silver, gold, copper. Yeah, so good stuff up here. And Daryl today has taken us out in this miserable weather to point out the trail to the Mohawk mine. We're going to be doing some bushwhacking.
Well, you can about, I'd go up 100 feet, 100 yards or so up the creek and then cut to the right and go back up here, and you should find a good trail up there.
Otherwise it's double club. Okay, tell us good luck.
Good luck, guys.
What is this? 400 feet elevation gain in a quarter mile? But there's ribbons, there's flagging ribbons all along the trail, so you can find it. Well, this is the Mohawk mine. This was not a huge mine in its day, but you can see on the front here, there's all kinds of veining, but it's not your usual quartz vein. It looks like it's a hydrothermal type of vein with all kinds of black, like it got cooked real hot. So probably a hot water solution came through and put in a hydrothermal deposit. But you can actually see little sparkly stuff in here. If you love this kind of stuff, you've got to check out the Northwest Underground Explorers and get their books, because they've got this thing mapped. They know all these places to go up here and find gold mines. Okay, so we got all these sample jars over here. Foss River, Beckler River, Miller River, Money Creek, and a little bit from the Sultan. Or this guy Coleman? Sultan. Okay, so we're just going to go through all this. I'll just wave my hands at it. That's enough of that.
The truth is you won't get a lot of big gold out here, but you'll get something. The trick is to make as many concentrates as you can while you're out in the field and then clean up back in camp. The more black sands you bring home, the better. We have a collection of spiral pans and power sluices, and each one has their own place.
Alright, you got your gold magic here. This is a all-purpose spiral pan that can work in a tub, and it can also work just out in the stream. You don't even need the tub around you, so it's pretty all-purpose for that. And we've got this black sand, and all you want to do is just slowly and methodically dip it into the lower corner. So you can see how the bottom keeps working its way up all the way into the middle, into that little cup. And this is your best stuff. The gold's in there, the heaviest black sands. The lighter stuff is just going to keep falling down.
The good stuff.
Got your Tom and Perry's golden dirt bag. This is a ringer, folks. We are not trying to pull one over your eyes. Just wanted to show the stuff.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh, look at them up there.
Let's see.
See them? The great big
My
things?
God, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Of all the places we sampled, Money Creek was the best by far. Next year I want to try my new club membership up on the Sultan River. We'll leave you with some great specimen shots from the Rice Museum's collection in Hillsboro, Oregon. We had to dodge the rain and Uncle Doug complained a lot, but it was still fun.
God, Doug.